Hey, I'm Devin. Today I'm going to be talking about the spinal cord. The spinal cord is an extension that is in the back of your brain to your neck and also to your spinal column. The spinal cord transmits messages from the brain to the nervous system. It is also the thing that connects the brain to the body. Very, very important. In everyday activities, the spinal cord transmits messages in order to get the body moving, in order to get each part, such as your arms or your legs, to move. The use of the spinal cord is a necessity in sports, for instance. Most sports require the ability to move your body, and if you don't have that ability, then you're not going to be able to participate in something like that. Another example is going to be walking. In order to walk, you have to have your spinal cord because your spinal cord transmits those messages in order to get your legs moving. If you don't have your spinal cord, let's say your spinal cord malfunction or your spinal cord is injured, you can be paralyzed from the waist down, and you can still have the ability to move your body up top. But if your spinal cord is cut, then you possibly might be paralyzed from the neck down. There's no cure for paralyzation, but a lot of people attend therapy and begin to move their shoulders and slowly work down, which I think is awesome. So, thanks for listening.